I'm going to show how to spatchcock a chicken. Begin by unpacking, rinsing, and removing any contents within. Lay the chicken with its breast side down and the neck facing yourself. Using meat shears, cut down one side of the neck and backbone in this manner. Repeat this on the other side of the neck and backbone. Next, spread open and remove this piece. Set aside to use for making broth. Now, turn the chicken around so that the legs are facing you. At this point, I like to remove the ribs on both sides. Find the top edge of the ribs and slice away in this manner. Note that there will still be some residual bones beneath, but that will be removed later. Repeat this on the other side. Next, feel for the breastbone. This will also need to be removed. Lay your knife down the center and slice down to the bone. Expose the breastbone by working the tissue away in this manner. Next, grab the chicken by its shoulders and flip it over in this manner. At this point, you will need to bend the chicken at the location of the breastbone in order to pop it out. Here's a better angle to see how this works. Once the breastbone protrudes, flip the chicken back over and remove the breastbone by simply pulling it out. Next, there's a piece of cartilage that I like to remove that's found in this location. To do this, score the tissue down the center using the tip of your knife. Then run your finger down each side, freeing it from within. The cartilage can now be plucked out by hand. Next, return to the rib location and remove the residual bones in this manner. These should be easier to access due to the previous bending at this location. Finally, take your finger and feel for any other bones. Once satisfied that most of the bones have been removed, the chicken can be flipped over and laid completely flat. The chicken is now ready to season and cook.